Welcome to aminacademy.com. In advanced calculus, let us do quick review on numbers. In that, we'll discuss about inequalities. And inequalities are the fundamental expression in which both sides are not equal. In inequalities, unlike in equations, we compare two values. The equal sign in between is replaced by less than or greater than sign. Greater than or less than sign is introduced in between those numbers. Now, look at some examples. Here, we know that 4 is lesser than 6. Suppose we can write 6 is greater than 4. Vice versa, I can write, but the greater of lesser sign inverted. Now, minus things. Minus 5 is lesser than minus 3 because minus sign having more numbers have less values. So we can say this as minus 3 is greater than minus 5. Then any numbers can be represented by, if A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then adding both sides, that means here A is greater than B, B is greater than C, then you can say A is greater than C. And next one, if A is greater than B, then A plus C is of course greater than B plus C, because adding same numbers in both sides, already A is greater, so A plus C is greater than B plus C. Next one, if A is greater than B and C is greater than 0, then you can say AC is greater than BC. That already A is greater here. A is greater than B, C is greater than 0. That is a positive number. That means if you multiply A and C must be greater than B and C. That is AC greater than BC. Next one, absolute value. What is absolute value of a number? The absolute value of real number A denoted by, look at here, absolute value of A is represented by mod A or absolute A. That means its A must be greater than 0. Means A must be so that means what? A, the value of absolute value of any negative or positive number is always a positive. For example, absolute value of minus 5 is 5 and absolute value of 6 is 6. Here, and the absolute value is also having some rules. Look at here. Absolute values of AB. Absolute value of AB is equal to absolute value of A into absolute value of B. The second one, absolute value of A plus B is equal to absolute value of A plus absolute value of B. Absolute value of A minus B is lesser or equal. Absolute value of A plus B is lesser or equal to absolute value of A plus absolute value of B. Absolute value of A minus B is greater or equal to absolute value of A minus absolute value of B. Actually, absolute value means distance between 2 points. Now, here, fourth one, A minus B, absolute values are always equal to B minus A. Next one, exponents. Look at here, exponents and roots. The product of, suppose A into A into A into A, it goes like, we can say it is up to n numbers. It goes what? It gives A power n. Now, for example, the rules we can find here. A power n and A power m. Here, the bases are same. The power n and m different. So the product rule is A power n plus m. Second, A power n over A power m is A power n minus m. Third, A power m power n equal A power mn. Then A power A over B power m is A power m over B power m. Same, A into B power m is A power m into B power m. Next one, A power nth root of A power m is A power m over n. Next one, logarithms. What is logarithm? Here, if A power p equal n, where p is called the logarithm of, then p is called logarithm of n to the base a. The base a is a definition of logarithm. That means and a should not be equal to 1. Then you can say A power p gives p is log of n base a. Log of n base a. Now some rules you can see. First one, log of m. Log of mn equal log m plus log n. The base is a common base. You can write base a. Similarly, log of m over n is log of base A m minus log of base A n. Then third, log of base A m power n. You can write P here, which is gives P into log of m base A. These are some interesting factors, numbers. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.